Dongguan Melasta Electronics Company Limited, a subsidiary of Melasta Corporation, is a professional enterprise specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of lithium-ion batteries. By collaborating with domestic and international universities and research institutes, with industry, academia, research partnerships, we have achieved breakthroughs in cutting-edge technologies such as various shape battery, anti-low temperature, anti-high temperature, and high-rate faster charging. Besides that, we hold numerous domestic and international patents. In material innovation, we employ cation and single-crystal nanotechnologies, surpassing traditional ternary materials in terms of thermal runaway resistance, cycle life maintenance over thousands of cycles, and material cost, compared to the battery industry standard in the stacked multi-layer production technology. Melasta lithium-ion cells has achieved more than a 6% improvement in energy density and cycle life, along with a 5% reduction in cost. Through strict quality management processes and systems, we provide international customers with superior lithium-ion battery. Our commitment to innovation drives industry progress, making green energy more accessible and efficient. Melasta Corporation.